before here, I was dating someone. Right before Love Island.
She know?
Huh?
She know?
Yeah, it's just her friend.
Wait.
Illum tlifna ġiex minn nies naħseb speċjali għal kollha kemm aħna. Nippruvaw nħarsu this good side of it li issa ħarġu għedim mal-familja tagħhom, ġifier nagħmlu waħda t-tazza. Ngħidu cheers għal Daniel u Edera. Cheers.
Le, xtenajtu għaddejt minn ħafna affarijiet f'ħajti fej għagġilt bil-passat tiegħi, spiċċajt għagġilt jien.
Għaddejt minn ċertu problemi fit-tfuliti fej għadhom skar sissa, ġifieri għadni mbagħad bihom u mur għall-għajnuna. Mbagħad dawk il-problemi għażilt kont li ġibt il-problemi tiegħi u għamilt kważi l-istess żbalji li għamel ħadd ieħor. Mura terapija, ġifiri għamilt ħabta ma nafx fejnijat, glam, mallum il-ġurnata ngħid grazzi l-Alla, u l-om u l-missieri u l-oħti, ġabanni minn xari u ma nagħmel l-affarijiet li kont nagħmel. Lista ngħid, m'għandekx tiklef il xi ħadd għax meta titilfu vera tkun taf xi klift. Ġifieri m'għandekx għalfejn tiżbalja, taħsebha darbtej. Bekk ġrali ma' Mikiela muħassejta ġifieri, għax ma nixtieqx niklefa fil-verità. Għax ġiġa għaddejt minnha, xumbat meta l-persuna tiklefa tkun taf xi klief vera.
Jekk inħares lura li 3 snin ilu qatt ma kont nemmen illi se nkun ġo dan il-post għax kelli ħafna affarijiet f'ħajti u nies u baggages li dejjem żammewni lura milli vera nkun il-persuna li dejjem xtaqt. Ħallejt il-passat warajja, ħallejt dak kollu li għaddejt meta kont żgħira warajja wkoll, iweġġani xi kultant, għalhekk xi kultant niġi naqra defensive, imma tallimt illi billi nġor il-kalmizza u billi nkun persuna kif jien illum nħossni ħafna aktar aħjar milli kif kont qabel. U nixtieq ngħid thank you lil-nifsi li għalkemm weġġajt ħafna f'ħajti xorta bqajt persuna strong u li dejjem qomta li għan-nifsi għal volja ġieli ma jkollix fuq minn inserraħ.
2 years ago, my father passed away, I was here in Malta, and I couldn't go back to Brazil And then came one friend of mine, came straight away, he was like landing in Malta, I sent to him a message, I said, bro, something happened in my life, I shared it to him, and he said, no bro, don't worry, let's take your car, let's go around Malta, because we can't do too much, I live 12 hours away from my culture, and then he spent his entire day with me, trying to make me feel better, try to make me, and then I realized that we need to value, the true friends that we do in our lives, and that's something that I learned here, to make every second, important, to value every second, and I hope I can carry you guys forever in my life, okay?
Naħwa għek u meta tismaj xi ħadd qed jitkellem itlu missieru ma setax imur. Jgħat il-12 hours il-bot, ġifieri temozjonak bil-forsu.
I have been through a bad situation in my life, and that situation makes me move all my life to a new country. I have to live my life, my normal life, and I start to live a new one alone. I learn how it is to stay with anyone around you. I learn how it is to work for your teams. And apart from that, while I was here, feeling guilty about the things that happened in my life, in my country, my family was in a similar situation because 3 months after I moved to here, my dad lost his job, and he was the only one who was working at home. they was struggling with money and a lot of things, I was trying my best here to work so hard to send them money and to make them continue with the life that they was having, because I grew up with everything in my life. If I want toys, if I want food, clothes, everything. I was, Dad, I want this, I want this. He gave me everything. I have to work so hard for the things that I want, and I have to work so hard because I want to give to my parents the life that they give it to me. And I'm so grateful for that I have. My parents leave the country and now they are living in Spain, because in Colombia we cannot stay and continue searching or working for a better life because it's difficult. Apart from all the storm that I was living in my life, now I'm in calm. My parents are good, I'm good. And every single day I know that I have to work so hard for more things and for my future.
3 years ago, I passed through a very deep moment in my life. I started suffering from panic attacks. And if you never pass through, you cannot understand what they mean, what is like you feel like when you have them. You feel like you are going to die, basically. I worked on myself like day by day for 3 years. And I'm very proud of the person I became, because it's not easy going to therapy and working on yourself, kind of like judging yourself every day for making mistakes. And I'm happy that I know you all. I like all of you, like every part of your character is amazing for me. And I hope we will stay close till the end.
Everyone have been through in a difficult situation in their life. Everyone have something to share, have something to don't share. But at the end of the day, we learn, and we need to be grateful for the life that we are living, for the life that we want to live tomorrow, and for the things that we want to be better.
The Love Island cat.
She's going to stay.
Listening to us. Wara saħla u xanna.
Date barbecue.
We're talking deep. Look at the cats, how much they feel. We're talking deep, and he came here watching us.
Will the rain ever stop? Will the rain ever stop reminding me of you?
It looks like it.
9?
49.
49.
She's smiling at you.
I'm smiling at her.
I feel like everywhere I go, she's watching, even there, from there, from there, from there.